Hi, today we will learn common sentences in Kannada. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? Here be careful while reading the letter na because it has vatakshara. You have to stress this. Ninna. It is not nina, it is ninna. Ninna ಹೆಸರೇನು. This ಹೆಸರೇನು has two words. One is ಹೆಸರು and one more is ಏನು. ಹೆಸರು plus ಏನು, it has become ಹೆಸರೇನು. While telling it fast, we will combine both the words and tell it as ಹೆಸರೇನು. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? What is your name? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಧಾ. My name is ರಾಧಾ. ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ? How old are you? ನನಗೆ 8 ವರ್ಷ. I am 8-year-old. ನಿನ್ನ ಊರು ಯಾವುದು? Can you see here the words that we are using to make these sentences are the words which we learnt in the previous video, commonly used words video. See here, ನಿನ್ನ, ನಿನಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು, ಯಾವುದು, right? All these words we learnt already. If you haven't yet, please go back and see those words. ನಿನ್ನ ಊರು ಯಾವುದು? ನಿನ್ನ ಊರು ಯಾವುದು? Which is your place or village? ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. My town is ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you? ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. We are fine. Here just ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you? Here just see here we are using ನೀವು. This ನೀವು word should be used whenever we are addressing elders to show the respect, or whenever we are referring many people here. Those two conditions we will use ನೀವು pada or word. Otherwise, if it is a singular and he is of our age, then we will use ನೀನು. The same way, the answer also says ನಾವು. If we are referring for many people, we say ನಾವು, means ourselves. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you? ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. We are fine. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? What do you want? ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬೇಕು. I want ಕನ್ನಡ book. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿದೆಯೇ? Are you hungry? ಹೌದು, ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿದೆ. Here ನನಗೆ means singular, ನಮಗೆ means plural. Since the question is ನಿಮಗೆ, the answer should be ನಮಗೆ. If the question would have been ನಿನಗೆ, the answer would have been this, ನನಗೆ, ನಿನಗೆ, ನನಗೆ. Yeah, the question is ನಿಮಗೆ, the answer should be ನಮಗೆ, okay? ಹೌದು, ನಮಗೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿದೆ. Yes, we are hungry. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ತಂದು ಕೊಡುವೆಯಾ? Can you please bring this? ಸರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಂದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, I will bring it and give you. ತರಕಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೊಳೆದು ಇಡು. ತರಕಾರಿ means vegetables. Wash the vegetables and keep it. ತರಕಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೊಳೆದು ಇಡು. This we are telling two separate words. Sometimes ತೊಳೆದಿಡು. See here. ತೊಳೆದಿಡು. We will combine these two and we will say these two words. ತೊಳೆದಿಡು. This also correct. To make it easy to learn, I have splitted the words here. While reading, you have to be careful with the vataksharas, where to stress, and you have to be familiar with some of the commonly used words to make easy sentences. Hope this has helped you. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe it.